Guys, once on the occasion of Diwali, APJ Abdul Kalam was planting trees near the parks. One of his friends went to him and asked that, my friend, it's Diwali, why are you planting trees? Then APJ Abdul Kalam said that, my friend, if everyone is destroying the environment, there is a need for someone to construct it also. And that's what I am doing by planting trees, so that the pollution which you all are making will be consumed. So guys, this was how much careful APJ Abdul Kalam was towards environment. But guys, if we see to the current scenario, we are not. Recently Diwali has passed, and if we look to our skies, there is pollution all around. The pollution level has raised so much that even the sunlight is unable to come on the earth. Guys, according to today's scale, the pollution level of Delhi has gone above 400, which is very hazardous for health. And even in my local area, it has reached 260 and is increasing day by day. The highest pollution level which is noticed is in Karnal, which is 597. Guys, imagine so much pollution on earth, which is not even good for our health, because when this smoke used to enter into our lungs, it used to jam all the windpipes, and we even used to face the problems of cough and even asthma. Even the disease asthma has grown very quickly in Delhi. In 2017 the rate was only 45%, but in 2019 it has grown by 67%. Guys, today there is pollution all around. I know we all will appeal to the government to do something good, and the government will do artificial rain. So when they will do artificial rain, the water will come on the earth by absorbing all the chemicals which are in the air and will come to the ground. But when it will come to the ground, it will definitely pollute the soil and will affect the quality of soil, which will further affect the quality of our crops. Moreover, if water is in large quantity, then it will go to our water table, will pollute it, and the pollution will again come to us in different forms. Guys, actually the smoke which is caused by these dynamite bombs is different from the normal smoke. The normal smoke does not contain that much harmful chemicals, and it used to scatter very quickly. But guys, these dynamite smoke used to jam the air. It used to stop the flow of air at one place only, and that's why it used to trap up a single area for that. So guys, this pollution is endless. We cannot stop it once it is caused. Because guys, if we try to stop it, it will definitely come to us in any other form. And that's what I want to say, that guys, please stop doing such activities which cause a huge amount of pollution, especially during these festive. Nowhere it is written that on Diwali we have to burn crackers. Without crackers, Diwali is not possible. Nowhere it is written. So guys, why to destruct our environment? Without environment, guys, human is not possible. So guys, it is my humble request to you all that always enjoy a safe and a happy Diwali. Don't destruct your environment, because it is our own responsibility to conserve it, so that we can sustain on this planet Earth, and our planet will always look greenful. Thank you.